Later it is formal. Yes. Okay. Good morning, students. Let's start with a new topic, that is your writing section. Already we are doing in writing section. See, your writing section, it will of 10 marks. 5 marks will be for your letter. Letter, it will be 5 marks. And for the paragraph. Actually, this time it is paragraph in your syllabus. This is of 5 marks. Paragraph is of 5 marks ka half. It will be in different type. Okay, paragraph, it will be very simple. If you are little bit careful, if you about the grammatical system, and if you concentrate on grammar portion, I think it will become very easy. You need not to learn anything. You should know only how to attempt, how to write a paragraph, analytical paragraph, as you can say. It is analytical. From the sometimes from the pie chart, sometimes from the bar graph. You have to analyze. You have to compare the different statistics or different data presented in that. इसमें अलग-अलग data present किए जाते हैं. You have to make a comparison. And if there are 30 students, they can write in different 30 way. Only thing, your expression will be checked and how you are analyzing the things. कैसे आप observe करते हो? It means your observation and your analyzing skill will be tested in that. इसमें उसका test. Now for that, 5 marks it will be of your written type. Actually, if you know your main question paper will be of 80 marks. Your question paper will be of 80 marks. Now 40 marks MCQ, part A you can say, part A, and 40 marks descriptive part B. In part B, this will be your writing section. Writing section in part B, if you 10 marks your letter as well as your paragraph. Paragraph. It will be 5 marks. 5 marks, 100 to 120 words. 100 to 120 words. Okay. So like this, your paragraph mainly two types. Whether you have to, it is analytical, or sometimes they may give it some clue. Sometimes they give some outline, some clue, and then you have to write the complete paragraph. उसमें उसको आपने complete paragraph. Now let's start with this. How you are going to write in this? Suppose it is a this paragraph in the question. I'll read the question that is given. In the question, actually, it is given the survey is carried out on the age group of 16 plus, means about 16 plus, and they found that preference of the different people, अलग-अलग लोगों का preferences, what they are using, what the smart devices or technology, these devices they are using, and what they prefer for the internet, on net. With the use of net and all, they are doing their different activities. अलग-अलग जो भी activity करते हैं, what are the things they have preferred here? Now you have to start writing with the okay from the this one pie chart. It shows that the survey was carried out. Survey is carried out on the people about the age of 16 plus. About the age of 16 plus, and they found that different people they are having different preference for using internet. Means you have to write everything in present tense. अपने सारी present tense में लिखनी है. Now for here the percentage you can have a comparison. Percentage you can have comparison. So you can start writing the survey or this pie chart shows that the majority of people or the maximum people who has preferred smartphone for using the internet. सबसे ज़्यादा which is the percentage? This is the highest percentage. Only you have to make a very simple sentence. You have to make little bit comparison. Okay, one or two comparison, because smartphone and laptop they are very near to. There is just little bit or following them. Majority of people they are using smartphone, but just behind them there are some people who are preferring this laptop and all, because 33%. And now if you join together, this one and this one, desktop and tablet, means it is a mathematical analytic only. You have to write in proper sentence formation. For proper, you can have comparison between. See, these two you can combine 18 and this will become 19. You can compare, okay, others people and desktop computers, they are almost approximately near to the people who prefer using tablet for internet. इंटरनेट के लिए टैबलेट्स यूज करते हैं उनका लगभग कंपैरिजन और यू कैन सी नाउ यू कैन कंपेयर दीस टू व्हाट इज द टोटल परसेंटेज 90 see in different way you can analyze this one is a analytical paragraph you have to write proper analyzing 19 plus 14 again 33 it means they are equal this sort of you have to write in 100 to 100 to 120 words with this analyze. Okay, like this will be analyzing. You can differentiate 4%. These are okay. What are the main devices are used for using internet? What are the main devices? It means you can here you can start here smartphone, laptop, tablets, and computer. It means there are four main devices which are used by the people. Except just there are only 4% people who are using other devices. जो दूसरी device use कर रहे हैं. Otherwise, these are the main devices used. Okay, in the pie chart it shows that these are the main devices used, and then you can compare it. Okay, then in the survey it is clearly found out that the majority of people they prefer to use smartphone. They prefer to use smartphone, and the percentage is 30. Their percentage is 33 and highest according to the survey. Survey के हिसाब से they are the highest. And now even you can compare, okay, and even the if we combine the desktop computer user preference, we combine those people who are preferring desktop or tablets. They want to use the desktop computer or tablets for the purpose of this internet. They are just equal to the people who are smart. It means both the percentage of these people are same. And note behind that, I think laptop, it is also preferred by maximum of people. Means after the smartphone, the maximum majority of people they are using laptop use करते हैं. It means you have to expect. And there are other very minor, very relatively small percentage of people they are using the other devices other than these four devices mentioned. Now you have to analyze this and frame the sentences so that any important analytical statistics data and all it is not missing and you can see it depends on the individual to individual. You can differentiate so many things. बहुत सी चीजें difference कर सकते हो and only thing you have to write properly so that it presents a very good analytical paragraph. एक बहुत अच्छा analytical paragraph ये बन गया. Okay. So for writing, we will make it a very small here. Okay, then you can start writing here. You can start writing after this one. Okay, analytical paragraph. Now from starting on the top, the survey carried out. See, it will be given in your question paper. Everything there will be a question. Now question on this, the survey carried out and it showed in this your pie chart. It is shown that these people preferred they are using for the smartphone. These are the devices, main devices used for using the internet. इन्होंने internet को use करने के लिए these are the main devices. ये main device used. Okay, and for that actually you have to use the passive voice are already told. You can use the sentences in passive voice as well as simple sentence structure. Maximum it is to be written in present tense. It has to be in present tense. Okay, it can be in passive voice form or it can be in a simple sentence structure. Okay, इसके simple sentence structure. Now what is the analytical? इसका analyzing क्या? Let's see in this. In this. Now you can write this one. It is given here in the book. The graph show the result of survey. The graph, you can write the graph show The graph shows the survey in which the graph shows the survey in which people age 16 and over, people age 16 and over means about 60, 60 and over were asked about their preferred were asked because it was survey, it was carried out. Certainly, you have to write it fast because survey was carried out. Then you represent this. Okay. And were asked about their preferred devices. Asked about their preferred 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 devices for internet, for using internet for using internet. This is what you can in the starting you can write. Okay, what was the analyzing, what was the survey carried out, what type of group, what was the topic of the survey. There you can write. Now you can start comparing this. Okay, just I'll read that one what is given in the answer so that it is clear from that. It is clear that majority of people prefer to use smartphones. Majority of people they prefer to use, and not even the laptop is not less popular. It is not less popular, or it is also preferred by majority of people. बहुत से लोगों को ये भी because it is 33% and it is 30%. You can have a comparison. Then tablets, and if you compare this, if you combine these category of people who prefer desktop computer and tablets, they are also just. And it means from this pie chart, it shows that the majority of people they prefer these four types of devices only for using internet, for using and very less other devices. These are the only minority. So only a small majority prefer the other devices other than the main. Other than the main. Now in this conclusion, now you have to write first comparison. What is the comparison? First is the survey. See, this is first one, survey carried out on particular thing. Then what is the outcome? Then you have to write the conclusion. And you have to write the conclusion. This one conclusion is that since the mobile and the portable devices are the most popular choice because this laptop and all these are portable and mobile smartphone these are the portable devices and they are preferred by the majority of people. It means if you combine together it will be about 63%. It means more than the 50% of the population. They prefer using these portable devices. This one you can divide in portable. Tablets also it is a part. Combine this tablet and all these things. It will become very almost it will become it's 88%. 82%. 82% means the majority of people they prefer only tablets, laptop. And what is the category? They are portable. They are portable. You can compare them. Okay, it means they can very well work out of the home with the help of this one, and they will not carry anything extra for this. This will be extra people. And in future, we can probably expect to see more and more people accessing the internet with a smartphone and their preferred. Means in the future, certainly with the new technology or new advancement, certainly we will find the maximum people. I think this can be in the question. Very less people will be there without this desktop because maximum people they will be working while moving out of the house because it can be used at home or in the office. But anywhere if you want to work, it means you have to use our portable devices. Yes, सभी portable device use. Okay, this is one of this. Okay, this was like this you have to analyze. Now next one is let's go on to the next. This one I'll be sending this answer of this one. Okay, you need not to write. Try to understand this one. इनको एक बार समझने की कोशिश करो how you have to write. Okay, and what you have to write in the question paper you will come to know. And secondly, I'll send these book in form of a PDF. You can note down from there. वहाँ से आप note कर लेना. I'll be sending this. मैं ये आपके पास भेजूंगा. Now next one there is another paragraph. एक दूसरा paragraph. Can make this graph if you want. It is also one sort of comparison. Okay. After survey was carried out, statistic data were collected, and then it is. Now this one. 0, 1, now here first see actually in English class we have started this mathematics. Make this graph. This will be your analytical. You can make design. I think students you can do better designing than mine. You can do that like this. Keep on designing. These will be analytical activities by you that they are becoming more violent. Let's see what is this graph can be in any form. Survey can be conducted on any topic, and then it can be in the analytical form. For example, 1990, 1995. Here it is 1990, 1995. 2005, and 2005. Now question is, uh, following data shows that due to violence has constantly increased during the violence has constantly increased during the recent year. Using the data right analytic paragraph focusing on the, how the educated youth can play a major role in establishing peace in the society. With what can be the role of this one? It is in your conclusion, in your suggestion, you have to give what can be done. Okay, using this data, right? Now violence has increased. Youth and peace. Okay, this is our violence regarding the violence. Violence among and role of education. Role of education. First, you have to analyze this one. Now it is in form of youth and peace is an interlink, okay, in the society. Youth and peace means the youth, they are the maker of the society. This society के बिल्कुल लोग, and the youth can play a very important role in establishing the peace. It means the number of this one, the following data shows that the number of this considerably increased during the recent year. Using this one, it means in 1995, so this was increasing up to 2.5 only. It was only up to 2.5. Again, it has increased in 3.5. And in the 2000, it means every after 5 years, the survey was conducted. Every after 5 years, and the data is just, it is always on increasing. And in the 2010, it means there has to be control over this, because all this violence and all, it creates a problem for the society, and for the civilized society and all, we need peace. Now, what can be the role of the youth and education in that? How they can play an important role in the, establishing peace in the society. Society में peace के लिए. Now the question, and the youth can play a very important role in establishing peace in the society. Society में मतलब they can play very important. The above given para found a survey presenting the declining of peace. It means the violence is increasing, the peace is declining in this, and declining of the peace in the society. Presenting the this presented in the survey. The survey conducted, it was found that number of deaths due to the violence has increased enormously since 90s. 90s के लिए, these are the death violence before, these are the deaths due to the violence. Due to the violence, it has increased considerably. Okay, maybe in lakhs, 2.2 lakhs, 3.3, and all. It is increasing and going. Or maybe in thousand, it can be, unit can be anything, but still we can say that it is increasing considerably. The rate of death is increasing. The number presented in the data is alarming. It is very dangerous, absolutely on declining in the death rate due to the violence. And during 1990, death rate was 2.5, which was increased to 3.5. Now you can have a comparison, because after the question, what is the question? What you have to compare the death rate in this. Comparing to 1990, it was 2.5, and whereas in just after 5, it has become 3. It has become 3.5. Again, you can compare with the this 2000. Okay, now it is in here it is 4.5. 4.85. Again, you can have a comparison from 1990. Almost it has become double in just 10 years. It means what is the rate of first rate of increase in death due to the violence. Violence के कारण जितनी भी death, maybe in any form, this society now, ethnic violence and all, whatever it is, based on the religious ground or any, because of the professional quality. Okay, maybe because of anything, any societal problem and all. And now it is in the in 2005, it is 6.5. It means, again, you can see the comparison from here where it has gone 2.5 to 6.5. This sort of comparison. Again, it is 7.5. It means in the 7.5. It means it is 3 times of 1990. Okay, it means in the 20 years it has increased 3 times. Like this, you can have a complete. Now, on the now main is the conclusion. Okay, the condition is really very sad and needs an immediate action. Where we can improve on this. Where we can improve. What can we do to improve this condition? This condition to how peace can be established in the society. So, what are the role? A youth can play a major role in controlling the crime graph. This is what it is, a crime graph. And the youth today hold the capacity to make the world as a peaceful place to live in. Means the youth can play a very vital role in establishing the peace in this society. Like this, you can. Okay, it is all analytical paragraph. Okay, you can compare in different way. Try to write what you have to write first. Survey topic. Okay, there you have to write the topic. What was the topic? What was the survey conducted? When it was conducted? And what was the topic in the society? Different. 1990. It was the 20 years paper. And then what was the problem or topic? Different comparison. Okay. And then after that, you have to write the conclusion. conclusion, how it can be checked, how it can be concluded. Okay, how it can be concluded. You can note down. I'll be sending the PDF of these one or two so that you can write and how it is doing. Mainly, you have to express your expression power must be correct, because already I covered the grammatical topic, grammatical portion. That's why it was covered, especially the sentence formation. How you are forming the sentence to form a paragraph. A paragraph लिखने के लिए what type of sentence you are going to use, and then the different forms. Means it can be in a sentence structure, it can be in passive voice form. In passive voice form, how you are going to write that? किस तरह से आप okay. Yes. Yes, come on. Note down. You can frame this one if you want to ask anything. And one more, students. 50 to 50. Okay. And one more important, students, you are not send. You please try to send your PDF of homework so that I can make sure that how many students have completed this one. And try to send your PDF, and you can note down my number for that. Okay, I think you may not be having my number. Send on the WhatsApp PDF on my personal WhatsApp, that is 94161 60593. Students, please send PDF of your homework. All the students from all the classes, you must send your homework. Okay. Yes, anyone wants to ask anything? Let's see. Yes, anyone wants to ask anything? Sir, you can unmute them for some time. Yes, sir. You can unmute them for some time. Let me see. Yes, they have raised your, okay. Anamika, many students, they have raised your hand. Okay, sir, unmute them. First, let's come to Anamika. You switch on your camera. Anamika, switch on your camera, please. Switch on your camera. Okay. Sir, unmute her. Anamika first. She has raised a hand. Unmute her. Let her speak. First, remove your hand. If you are having other problem, then I'll talk to you. Sahil. Yes. Okay. Switch on your camera fast. Come on. Okay. Sir, unmute him. Situation, you have to use the proper. You have to use the proper tenses. Tense के rule आपको पहले ही पता है. Passive voice and all, sentence formation, everything is clear, so that it becomes very easy for you to explain the paragraph. Paragraph means whatever you know, whatever you observe, whatever you analyze, you have to write yourself. आपने अपने आप लिखना है. And this can be different. Okay, you can have a comparison between 1990 and straightway 2010. It is 3 times the violence has increased. Then in conclusion, first you try to write the topic. What is the topic? What was the survey conducted on particular topic? And according to the this bar graph and all, what you have observed. Now you keep on writing. There is a comparison. It means the death rate due to the violence is increasing every year or drastically. It is a very alarming situation for the society. Little bit you have to add something from your side. Okay, what is the problem and what will be the impact on the society? Society के ऊपर क्या impact होगा? You have to write that one. Okay. And secondly, now you can see in 1990, 1995, it was 3 point. It means it was on increase death rate, number of deaths. And 2000 again it was increased. Now you can have a comparison between 1990 and 2000. It was almost double, 4.5. And in 2005, it means after 15 years, even it is more than double. And then 3 times in the it means in the gap of 20 years, the number of death has increased to 3 times, which is very alarming situation for any civilized society. It means that something urgent step has to be taken for the establishment of a peace in the society. Mein. Now, what can be the question में दिया? What the role can this youth can play in the establishment? Because youth, they are the full of energy, and their energy can be channelized. It can be utilized for the betterment of the society in establishing peace in the society. Okay, society में किस तरह से, मतलब you can write in different way. जो पहला ग्राफ पहले वाला था, it was a bar graph, जो bar graph था, and it was showing the use of different modern these devices. जो दूसरा ग्राफ था, ये दूसरा discuss. It was a bar graph. bar graph था. In that different type of devices were used. Okay, like this. Somewhere it was 33%, 30%, 14%, 19%, and 4%. I think like this it was. Use of different devices. उसमें for the internet facility. अब इनको यू कैन डिवाइड इन दिस वन. ये जो जितना भी ये बार ग्राफ दिया है, नीचे जो पाई चार्ट दिया, इसमें आप वो कर सकते हो. 33% किसका था? मोबाइल फोन का था, बिकॉज दीज आर पोर्टेबल. देन उसके बाद क्या था, ये अपने जो भी टैबलेट्स हैं या लैपटॉप्स हैं, लैपटॉप दे आर ऑल्सो पोर्टेबल, दे कैन बी कैरिड आउट. इसका मतलब था कंप्यूटर, दे आर ओनली 14%. 14% मीन्स कंप्यूटर इज नॉट पोर्टेबल. डेस्कटॉप है, ये पोर्टेबल नहीं है, इट इज वेरी. And 4% they have used other devices. You can have a comparison. Means लोगों की जो preference है, what is the preference? Who preferred which? It means the majority of people they prefer portable devices. अगर आप इन तीनों को, चारों को comparison कर लो, except this 4 one, इसको 14 को, because this is the computer or desktop. It means table and all it is. Rest, all these are the portable devices. ये सारी portable devices. And if you compare this one, अगर आप इनको मिलाओ तो it goes to almost 82%. 82% means the majority of people they want. Like this, you have to write. First survey was conducted on the it was on the age group of 16 plus, means over 16 and over, and it was found during the survey that the majority of people they like to use the portable devices for their work or for using internet use करने के लिए वो portable devices use करते हैं. Okay, in case you required, I'll once again it will another time it will be taken in the next period, and I'll be sending you this PDF 4-5 so that you can come to know how you have to write the paragraph. कैसे paragraph लिखना है, इनकी मैं PDF भेज दूंगा. You can write in your room, you can go through, but certainly it is only for guidance. It is not that you have to write the same way. उसी तरीके से नहीं लिखना, only the how to write that you can come to know through the PDF. उससे कैसे लिखना है, but what you write you can change your. Okay, have a nice day. Yes, students, and please send your homework. Yes, if you did, in the next period once again we will have to one or two practice. Actually problem is that we can't write, I can't write on the board after making this diagram and all. It is very difficult. Only I can explain that stuff. उसको explain कर सकता हूँ, and it can be explained in different way. It's not that whatever I am explaining, only I am telling you the guide, I am giving you the guidelines how you have to write this. Okay, thank you, have a nice. Sir, you can wind up the meeting.